Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the default Radeon WattMan settings have been restored on your computer. So this is a graphics card issue for who have installed AMD Radeon graphics card on their computer. So this happens from the system failure on graphics card. So I'm going to show you hopefully how to resolve this problem. So first you just have to update your graphics driver for this. So I'm going to show you how to update it. So just first you have to go to the search bar and search for device manager. So hopefully this device manager here. Now you have to find your display adapter here and expand that option. So you just have to right click whatever display adapter you have here, and you have to update driver here. Click on update driver and click on search automatically for updated driver software. It will automatically download the updated driver from internet and install on your computer, or you can just go for search for update drivers in Windows Update. But you can just go to online and download the updated driver from internet. So I'll have a download link of AMD Radeon driver package, update driver package, in my description. So you can check out my description and go to that link and download your AMD Radeon updated driver package. So after download you have to install it, so hopefully that will resolve your problem. So I'm going to show you another method here, so that will also resolve the problem here. Sometimes it works. So for that you just have to go to your control panel, search for control panel here, click on control panel, say it's v1 category, just choose large icon here, then go to power option here. After going to the power option you have to choose what the power button does. So click here and you have to uncheck the turn on fast startup here. So change settings that are currently unavailable, you have to click here. Now you can uncheck the turn on fast startup here, uncheck it and just click on save changes. Sometimes it also works for WattMan Radeon Era on Windows 10. So try this and hopefully this will work. So I'll suggest to download the new update driver for AMD Radeon pack drive graphics card. So that will also resolve your Radeon WattMan error in Windows 10. So hopefully that will resolve the problem. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.